Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete your search history in the Netflix. Now, a disclaimer here that this will not work on your Netflix application. So you can't do this step in the Netflix application on your Windows, Mac, or even your phones or tablets. For that, you will need to go to the Netflix website. So head over to netflix.com. In here, just click on your top right corner where the account settings is, then head over to the account option. Once that loads up, just for the privacy part, I won't show the details which are given here, but then I'll show you what to do next. Over here, whatever profiles you have, you might only have one or two, but then if you have multiple, just select that profile where you want to delete the watch history for. Let's say I select this one, scroll down a bit and you will see the option viewing activity. Click on the view option. After that, another page will open up and this will show all the activity for that particular profile. Now you can go ahead and start deleting the history or the episode or that particular series or movie that you do not want to see in your watch history. Let's say if I do not want to see the Peaky Blinders season 2 episode 5 in the watch history, just go to this part, hide from viewing history, click on that. And as you can see, it says within 24 hours, that episode will no longer appear in the Netflix service as a title you have watched and will no longer be used to make recommendations to you unless you watch it again, obviously. So it works similar to deleting history in your normal browsers or anywhere you delete the history for. So whichever you're not happy with or whichever you want to delete or hide from your history, just click on this icon and it will keep on deleting all of them. So this is how you can delete your watch history from Netflix. After this, once you go to your Netflix, it could be your application or even on your PC laptop, the website, you will no longer see that particular episode or that particular series or movie in your recommendations or in your watched before section. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this was a bit of useful information for you. If you liked this video, do hit the like button. And also if you're new here, consider subscribing so that whenever the new videos are up, like these mini tutorials, you'll be the first one to be notified about them. With that, I'm done with this video. Have a great day and I'll see you guys in the next one.